Hello, Sandy here from Going Off Grid. Sandy and Steve. Today I'm making a chicken pot pie. And sorry I look like a hot mess, but I don't care. So what I'm doing right now is I'm frying up chicken that I'm going to put in my pot pie into bite-sized pieces of sorts. And then I'm going to fry it up. I'm going to give it some seasonings. I don't have a lot of seasonings hanging around because I'm packed. But the hope is my house sells soon so I can unpack. Now, if you got any fatty pieces in there, leave them in because you're going to add spices and it always adheres better with the fat. But these are thin pieces of fillets of chicken. I think you'd use them for like boneless chicken or whatever, wings. People call them boneless wings, but really they're not, because there is no such thing as boneless wings, because then they couldn't fly. So, but I'm just chopping. I'm gonna cook. I'll bring you back when it starts to cook and I'm done seasoning. There you go. I'll bring you back in. We'll season together. How about that? So I've decided to fry my chicken in sesame seed oil for my pot pie. Now, we don't know what that's going to taste like, but why not try? Love trying new things. Sometimes we don't like it, but most of the time we get lucky. All right, so there you go. A little bit. I'm not going to put a lot in. Just want that little foot. Oh, I love the smell of cinnamon and sesame seed oil. God, I'm losing it. Okay, so I'm going to put a little pepper in there. Salt in. And I am going to put a little bit of garlic in. Yeah. Garlic, just a little bit. Now, we don't know what this is going to taste like. It's going to be a surprise. Hopefully it's a good surprise. But we got it fried up. I'll bring you back. All right, we're gonna step out of the box because I like to do that. And let me turn this so you can see in here. And I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce in there. Not a lot, just for a smoky flavor. And I'm gonna add my cream of chicken. I've got it on low right now. And let's see how this goes. Gotta be imaginative. See, I watch some of these recipes and I think, well, why bother? They're so plain. If you're gonna make a new recipe, make it good. So that's what my intent is here. Is just getting a little good going on. All right, so I think that I want to put a little milk in here. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just get it wet in there. We're gonna mix this up. Smells good. Here we go, here we go. Now, what else do I got going on here? I got some salt and some pepper. Right? This, watch out not to get it on the burner because you get a smoke bomb. God, I got my little bit of salt. Mix it and mix it. Ooh, that's got a nice flavor to it. Hang on. I actually like that smoky taste so much. I'm gonna put more in. Okay, so, but pot pie isn't complete without your mixed veggies. So we're gonna throw some of those babies in there. Start with a half a bag, see what that does for us. That looks so beautiful. All right, so now this recipe is not with a crust. I would prefer crust myself. But nope, it doesn't tell you to use the crust. It tells you to use grains biscuits. So, how's that gonna go? So I'm gonna switch things around here. So let me clean off my space and then I'm gonna grab it. So, I have the Grand's biscuits that have layers on them. So I'm just gonna pull apart the layers. Ta-da! Lay it on my pan, and hopefully I have enough to go around. The recipe actually said to chop up the biscuits in 4. Why? Then you got big hunks of bread in there. Aren't you going for a crust of some kind? So I said, no, that's not a good idea. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Let me, hang on. Spray. That'll be good. Oh, see, it was already sticking. What the heck? What the heck? All right, well, I'm glad I thought of it before I finished. That would suck. So definitely spray your pan. I hate cleaning pans. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. So I'm gonna finish this and I will bring you back. Okay. So I've got it in the pan and I'm gonna dump my goods in there. My delicious goodness. Let's see how it tastes now. It's worth making. Let's see if it looks all right when we're done, huh? I'm just scraping the pan. And then spread it out like so. Next thing I'm going to do is take my other half of my buns and lay it on top. Doesn't have to be perfect. And we are gonna cover this because we don't want it to burn. So we'll cover it. I think it was an hour baking time, which doesn't really make sense to me because I think the package didn't say that. But you got them on the bottom too, so they gotta have time to cook on the bottom. Or you can watch it, and when they're brown, cover them. I don't really know. It's a test. So, but I think that I'll put them in. And maybe I'll cover them. I do have some foil. So let me start by covering them, just to heat everything up. And that'll give a chance for the bottom to cook. And then we'll take it off and let the top brown. That's what I think. I am not an expert over here. I am a creator. A creator. All right, I'll bring you back in a while. So this is a half hour. 15 minutes covered and 15 minutes uncovered. And I personally would like it darker, so I'm gonna leave it in another 15 minutes. No clue how the bottom's doing. Hopefully it's okay. But I'll bring you back when we cut into it. All right, 45 minutes. Get a nice crusty top. I don't know how the bottom is yet, but I will bring you back with a taste review. The bottom did cook, and thank God I put the spray down. That's all I gotta say. Bring you back for a taste review. Okay, question is it like a pot pie?
Sort of.
Does it taste like a pot pie?
Oh, it does taste like Popeye, yes.
Now, describe the flavors.
Well, let's see. I got some pepper on there. I don't know what to describe. It's delicious. I can't tell you.
Do you
anything.
taste the smoky flavor?
I can taste the smoky flavor.
And what do you think of that?
I think it's smoky.
You're an ass.
I don't know how you want it.
It's good though?
Yeah, it's good.